Hi everyone, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to transfer tickets on Ticketmaster. First, go to Ticketmaster on your web browser. From the home page, select Sign In. Now you have to provide email ID and password. Select Sign In. In case you don't have an account already, then click on Sign Up. Here, provide your email, name, and other required credentials. Now search for the zip code of your country of residence. Tap on Next. Now enter a phone number for your account. After this, go to the search bar of the home page once your account gets created. Here, search for any of the tickets you want to transfer. Tap on any of them. Now select Find Tickets. Wait till the next page uploads. Here, tap on Accept and Continue. A new page opens. This is where you can choose a seat as per your choice. You can also apply filters like number of tickets, lowest price, best price, and more. Wait till your ticket verification gets completed. In the end, place an order. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.